it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you doing.
Okay, you guys, so we are having to move campuses due to some unforeseen circumstances. I'm not going into any details, but that means I have to take down my entire room and put everything back into place. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that. I'm gonna erase my board and everything, and we're just gonna go ahead and get this room taken down. We're gonna start moving our stuff this afternoon, but I gotta get everything put back in place and put together. What you hear is that big thing right there. It is a humidifier. So yeah, but all right, let's start taking this room down. All right, so we're about to get started working. We're gonna work until we are called down for lunch. So, yeah. So we are heading to the break room.
Okay.
For lunch. We're having baked spaghetti today. So we're gonna head to the break room for lunch and our debrief. And like I just mentioned, what our plan is for this afternoon, because like I said, we're moving campuses. So let's head that way.
I'm a Karen today, guys. No, you don't.
I want Mr. Williams' room.
Yes, I do.
I actually don't like this room.
Look, I get this.
Why is your lighting so
Why are you
low?
recording like a mom?
This is the
You're on camera. You're on camera. Look at.
Like, sit down.
Oh. Wow. Yeah, I recorded you the whole way. This is the first load. How you feeling, Mr. Ty?
How I feel. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna talk to you.
Yeah.
When I talk to you. All right.
That's how short you is. I was like,
I just heard y'all.
Bro, what's going on with camera?
Yeah. We started last week.
I have no idea. Mr. Ty? Sorry, I'm doing a vlog for like the thing. Sorry about that. Hi. How are you? Oh, why is it so zoomed in? Wait, I need to stop.
Okay, so I am in my new room, which spin around slowly. It is the music room. So it's a little smaller, but we're about to put this thing together. We're gonna go ahead and I do have a bulletin board up here that I in fact gonna put to use. But yeah, we're in the new room, so we're gonna go ahead and put some of it together and we'll see what all we get done.